Hey, this is my very first sponsorship video. The Fry Foundation was nice enough to send me a indoor decibel miner and just for a video on it. And I will do my best to show it. And my channel is mainly about mining Varus or smartphone mining. So I'll probably do a little bit of a comparison. But yeah, let's check out the miner they sent me. So here's the actual miner itself. It's actually just a recycled old computer that would have been e-waste. And yeah, that's the thing about the Fry Foundation. All their miners are recycled old computers, which is really cool. And yeah, they sent me this mic too. And yeah, it picks up the decibels in the indoors, and I get paid out in Fry coins. So that's cool. One of my only qualms though, with this though was they sent me an old computer with VGA out only, and I don't think anybody has VGA out. So there's one qualm about the machine. I'm not going to really do too much of a tutorial on how to set it up. The only things I will say is you need an Algorand wallet, and I suggest the Para wallet. And you'll need the seed phrase from that Para wallet. And when you get your miner, go to the actual Fry Foundation page, download the resources for the miner that you bought, and then let it do its install, and then you will put your seed phrase into the installation process, and then you will register your miner on the actual Fry Foundation page. Now we're going to take a look at what I earn each day. So here we are, we're in my Algorand wallet, and you can see these, it does 24 zero Fry transactions a day, but each day they do one payout, and I am making 207 Fry a day. So if we go up here, in total I've made 414, so I've had 2 payouts so far. So I am making roughly almost 30 cents American a day, which is pretty decent for this miner. Let's take a look at the price of the miners. Okay, so we're on the main Fry Foundation page. Let's go buy miners. And let's find. This is the one they sent me for 210. So 30 American a day for 210. That's not too bad. Now let's go compare that to my Varus rack of phones. So now we're looking at my rack of phones. For me, I got these cat phones cheaper, but for you, probably gonna get them about $35 each. So let's say 35 times 10, that's 350. 50 for the charging station, and then $10 for cords. So we're looking about 410 American for one of these racks. And okay, so we're in the Varus mining calculator here. I have no way to calculate the wattage of the unit they sent me, so we'll just go 0 for now, but my pool fee is 5%. Let's calculate. So yeah, roughly 10 of those phones is yielding me 38 cents a day. So just 8 cents more for way more of a cost. So the one nice thing I will say about the Fry Foundation miner is that it's just one condensed computer. Once it's set up, you can unplug your peripherals and you can just let it keep mining. And you are making roughly 30 cents at current price. Now, one of the negatives is I have no idea where Fry is going to go from here. I will just continue letting that stack fry, and maybe one day it will blow up. but who knows? In the price comparison, we did see that it was a lot cheaper to get a Fry miner, which is awesome if you are just getting into crypto mining and you just want something simple and easy. Very good. Very, 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 very good. So I would suggest, like, if you don't want to get into phone mining and you just want a miner, get it. The negatives of phone mining is that there's a lot of maintenance that goes behind it, and phones crash sometimes, or batteries bloat. But no, the Fry miner will just keep going and going and going and going, which is awesome. If you would like your own, I have my own referral link down below, and I have a coupon code that gives you 10% off. So yes, if you are interested in picking one up, yeah, pick one up. And you also don't have to buy a miner from Fry Foundation. You can use existing hardware that you already have. I don't know how to do it, but you can buy one of their Boyd licenses and you can install their software onto your already existing hardware that you have. So that's a really, really, really nice feature. Like, let's say you have an old Lenovo ThinkPad station that's not doing anything. You can just install their software, get the Boyd license, and you are making Fry a day, which were roughly 30 cents. And like that's kind of like spawned the idea of me wanting to I want to go out and find like the cheapest computer I can find with an Ethernet port and try their bandwidth mining with the Boyd license. Me and Fry Foundation have already been talking, and we might do something about the Boyd license if they like this video, of course. But yeah, I am curious on the bandwidth mining as well. Yeah, so that could be a future video. I'd like to give a big thanks to Fry Foundation for sending me one of these. I know my video wasn't as professional looking as everyone else's. I'm still quite new to YouTube, but I just wanted to compare it to my phone mining operation because that is what I personally do. But thank you for sending me one. I greatly appreciate it. And now, all my affiliate links are down below. Even the referral link to get the Fry Foundation and the coupon code will be down below. All my affiliate links are for products that I always buy, I commonly buy. They help me grow to 500 mega hash. And you can follow me on Twitter. I have a second channel which more focuses on my life and adventures. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the algorithm, and we are growing faster than I can even handle. It's awesome. So yes, thank you, Fry, for sending me this. I know maybe this was a little more unorthodox of a video compared to other ones, but thank you. And see you guys later.